Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into something utterly adorable and surprisingly technical. The Versus Code Pets extension. It's a GitHub project that adds playful little critters to your coding window.
Oh, I've heard whispers of this. A cat in my IDE? Sounds distracting, but also oddly motivating. What kind of pets are we talking about?
Well, we're talking a whole menagerie. There's a bored-looking cat, a super enthusiastic dog, a feisty snake, a rubber ducky, and even Clippy, for those of us who remember the 90s with a shudder of nostalgia.
Clippy! Oh my gosh, I thought that digital menace was banished to the digital underworld.
Apparently not. He's made a comeback, and he's ready to help you with your code. The extension has a whopping 2.8K stars on GitHub and nearly 400 forks, which, is pretty impressive for a project that's essentially adding cute animals to your work environment.
I see. So it's not just a visual gimmick, right? There must be some actual code behind this cuteness overload.
Absolutely. It's written in TypeScript, a super popular language for versus code extensions, and it's got a pretty robust structure. The GitHub repo shows a well-organized project with folders for documentation, localization, so you can have your pets speak your language, media assets, and the source code itself.
Impressive! And how does one acquire these digital companions? Do I have to wrestle with complex commands?
Nope. It's super easy. You can install it directly from the Versus Code Marketplace, search for it in the Extensions panel, or even use a quick open command. The README is very clear and provides multiple installation methods.
That's fantastic. But I'm a bit concerned. Won't these pets be distracting? I mean, a cute cat is cute, but I need to focus on my code.
That's a valid point. It could be distracting for some, I suppose. But the creator claims it boosts productivity for some users. It's all about finding the right balance, I guess. Plus, you can always turn them off.
True. And, I noticed the credits section. It seems like a collaborative effort with many artists contributing the pet assets. That's pretty cool.
It really is. The project highlights the amazing community spirit within the open source world. So many talented artists contributed their work to make this extension a reality. It's a testament to the power of collaboration. It even has a crowd-in project for translations, so you can help make it accessible to even more people.
That's awesome. This is more than just a fun little extension. It's a great example of open source collaboration and creative problem solving. I'm definitely checking this out. Thanks for highlighting it.
You're very welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening. And remember to check out the Versus Code Pets extension. Maybe you'll find your new coding buddy. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.